Taiwan Historica is a government office that maintains and restores historical documents. This branch of government office originates from the Provincial Documents Committee of Taiwan, established in 1949. After the provincial era, the committee becomes the only government body that preserves and handles historical documents. Taiwan Historica consists of 3 buildings: the Document Building, the Artifact Building, and the Historical Event Building. Each building has its own unique style. The building in the middle is the Document Building, built with Renaissance style. Historical Building is located on the left side, which resembles the palaces in northern China. As for the building on the right-hand side, built with white wall and red tiles, that's the Artifact Building. From historical documents to artifacts, each building has its own unique collections of precious artifacts, preserving important historical data from the past. History and culture is the foundation of a country. Taiwan Historica plays a critical role in managing the historical records of Taiwan. Not only do the workers in Taiwan Historica collect, organize, maintain, and restore artifacts from different parts of our history, they also help making history more accessible to the public. There is a saying that sums up the importance of history very well. The more you know about the past, the better you are prepared for the future.